Introverts are individuals who are often labeled as reserved and thoughtful, and enjoy spending time alone or in small, intimate groups. Contrary to the misconception that introverts are all the same, there are actually several subtypes of introverts, each with its unique characteristics and traits. Understanding these subtypes can help individuals comprehend their preferences, strengths, and challenges better. In this article, we will delve into the 4 primary types of introverts and explore their distinctive features to help you identify which type resonates with you. The social introvert is someone who values meaningful social interactions but requires ample time alone to recharge their energy. They enjoy spending time with close friends and engaging in deep conversations, but too much socializing can be overwhelming. Social introverts prefer quality over quantity in their social interactions, often opting for small gatherings or one-on-one interactions. The thinking introvert is known for their introspective and reflective nature. They enjoy contemplating ideas, concepts, and theories, often spending a significant amount of time within their minds. These individuals are deeply inquisitive, analytical, and introspective, finding solace in solitary pursuits that allow them to explore their thoughts and ideas. The anxious introvert experiences a unique blend of introverted tendencies with heightened sensitivity to social situations. They often feel anxious or uncomfortable in unfamiliar or large social settings and prefer solitude or smaller gatherings where they feel more at ease. This type of introvert may experience social anxiety or shyness, making social interactions challenging. The restrained introvert embodies the more typical traits associated with introversion. They are reserved, quiet, and often thoughtful, preferring to observe and listen rather than be the center of attention. Restrained introverts value their personal space and time alone and may find large gatherings and excessive socializing draining. Understanding the various types of introverts can shed light on your own introverted nature and help you recognize the unique blend of traits that make you who you are. Whether you identify as a social introvert, thinking introvert, anxious introvert, or restrained introvert, each type brings its own set of strengths and challenges. Embrace your introverted nature and leverage your strengths to live a fulfilling and authentic life in a world that often celebrates extroverted qualities. Remember, introversion is a spectrum, and finding where you fall on it is the key to understanding and appreciating yourself.